Yes, as we keep the ball rolling, here is Third World with Bunny Ruggs on the lead again with their massive hit, Try Ja Love. And we're not going to do any long talking, we're going to keep on walking. As you know, solid rock on the solid corner. Come vibes with I, okay? Here we go.
Temptation, echoing my choice. He said, seek ye shall find. I've been with you through all time.
Come sing the hook, everybody.
And the first thing I will quench you with my love. And if you're hungry, I will feed you with my word. And all I ask of you is that you love as I do. I'll lead you to my love. From a sinful life I'll cleanse you in my love. For creation there's a weakness of my love. You know that you should know it's time for the world to try love. The only love that can bring peace.
The only thing that can bring peace. Try your love. Some say them are atheists, some say them are scientists. But we say try your love. See, the Most High Creator of them all, you know? Yeah. That's what we are doing when us up on the solid foundation. Yeah, we put God first. See? Aye.
Wrong to right. Please, Father, please, this world we live is faltered. Deliver us from all this evil and pain. God bless the heart that looks unto his brother, praising out your name. And he said, be not afraid. For those who believe, I will say. And if you're thirsty, I will quench you with my love. And if you're hungry, I will feed you with my word. And all I ask of you is that you love as I do.
What a message, what a message. Man, you can try all the things in this world, but if it don't work out, why don't you try Ja Love? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because trust me, living testimony right here. Nothing works but Ja Love, okay? And when you put God first in everything you do, without no apology, no matter what some might say, they want to try Scientology, they want to be atheists and all these things. Make them go ahead and do what they do, but we are tell them to, so come through and try Ja Love, right? Because it works, man. Because he who created everything, life he shall bring, right? Yeah. So that was Third World with Try Ja Love. Big tune, very big tune. And as you know, these men, these individuals in reggae music, they don't just sing songs just to sing songs. These lyrics are powerful. Each word coming like a piece of food or something, you know, spiritual food. So we're gonna keep the ball rolling and scrolling. Link, keep the ball rolling and scrolling, right? Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Hit the notification bell. Yeah, can't you tell? You're under a musical spell. Alright, that was Third World. And we're gonna keep the Bunny Rug celebration going. Keep it locked to some Bob in a few, okay? Keeping it rolling. Try Jaloof, and if you're hungry, I will feed you with my word.